Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Dandria and this is Living with the Bradleys, and I've got a new grocery haul video coming up for you guys. It's a little after 7 a.m. and I scheduled my Walmart grocery pickup for between 8 and 9. And yes, I'm already dressed. I'm an early bird. I always get up early. It is what it is. One of these days, if you want to see it, I'll show you my morning routine. You'd be surprised. But I've got a grocery haul coming up for you, as well as a new meal plan. And as far as last week's meal plan goes, yeah, it didn't go according to plan. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday were completely thrown off. But I'm going to talk about that more in another video because life happened to us, but it's all right because God is good and He has worked it out. So I'll tell you more about that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this grocery haul. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing and being a part of the Bradley family. We would love to have you. Stay tuned. Got your haul coming right up. All right, friends. So here is our grocery haul from our Walmart pickup. And if you notice, it's not a whole lot. I mean, yeah, it's taking up a pretty good amount of space on our island, but it is what it is. And so I'm going to start with the non-food items. So Luna needed some more cat food, so we got the Arm & Hammer multi-cat. And I do that because the multi-cat cat litter tends to control odors a lot better, which is why I get that, even though we only have one cat. Also picked up some dishwasher pods. We got the Finish Powerball Quantum. So we decided to try this because we had used it before, but it's been several years and they've since changed, I guess, the formulation so that it's better. So decided we'd try it again, see if we like it, because normally, we buy Cascade. And then picked up some more Always panty liners because, it's a necessity. So those are all the non-food items that we bought. So moving to the food items. So guys, I am so happy because Walmart had the blackberry cranberry, the blackberry Canada dry ginger ale, and of course the cranberry. And the reason, because if you follow us on, here on YouTube or social media like Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, then Shay and I are big fans of these ginger ales, and they normally only come out during the holidays, and we're past the holidays and they're still available. I'm so excited, so happy. Got the husband some more tea for lunch. It's the Gold Peak sweet tea. Shay and I like to chew gum, and we ran out of gum, and it was like, we really love something to chew. So picked up some gum as well because we are just those people. Picked up some more of the Nature Valley wafers for the husband because he really loves these and he takes them for work. He eats one at his 9 o'clock break. Picked up some whole wheat penne. And guys, I'm going to tell you, if you saw our last grocery haul and meal plan, I mentioned that we were going to have the black soybean spaghetti. I was going to make some chickenless Alfredo. Oh my God, that spaghetti, as much as I love tofu and can do some soybeans, I did not like that spaghetti. Like none of us did. It was like eating hot rubber bands with Alfredo sauce. We just couldn't do it. It was, no. We ended up going and picking something up. It's just a big no for us when it comes to soybean spaghetti. Sorry for those of you that actually like it, but we did not. So yeah, we're going back to the whole wheat, whole grain, or even regular enriched pastas. Picked up some brownie mix because Shay and I made brownies last week and they were so good. We really wanted to make brownies again this week. And I know it's a box and I could probably do it from scratch, but I'm not going to. Shortcuts Take advantage. All right, here's the produce we got. We didn't need a whole lot of produce actually because we still have some from our last grocery haul. So got some bananas, and y'all look at these bananas. Like these actually look pretty good. 2 weeks in a row that Walmart has given me some pretty good looking bananas. And I'm wondering if they actually saw the video where I was like, did y'all really give me these bananas that were like split open and bruised and everything else? So thank you, Walmart. Be about that business. Yes. So needed some more onions because I ran out. So got 2 onions, got 2 of the beefsteak tomatoes, and then 2 of the lovely bell peppers that don't want to stand up. So I'm just going to lay you down. So these are for recipes this week. Okay, guys, do not shoot me. But yes, we kind of fell off the pescatarian diet wagon. And I'm going to tell you why. It's because I have a very short attention span when it comes to everything. And, I just can't keep eating seafood every single week. I like variety. I need variety. Variety is the spice of life. So we have decided to just go back to, eating other types of meats. It'll be very rare that we'll eat any pork or beef, but we really missed our turkey and our chicken. And so, yes, I picked up some, I should say, ground turkey. It's butterball. I normally do the 85-15 because, that fat content does help it to cook very well. Also picked up some lunch meat. So got the Oscar Mayer natural slow roasted turkey breast in the family size because, we love turkey. And Shay and I want to be able to have a lunch that we don't have to cook. So it'd be nice to just throw together a sandwich. And that's kind of really why I bought the tomatoes, so we can have some really good sandwiches. Picked up some turkey Polska kielbasa. It's the Hillshire Farm. Picked that up for a recipe this week. And you'll see in the meal plan exactly what I'm going to do with this. Picked up a 3-pound bag of the boneless, skinless chicken breast, which we have not had in a while because normally we buy boneless, skinless chicken thighs. But the recipe I want to do would be a lot better with chicken breast. We decided to do a pizza night, and we had ordered just one extra large pizza, but they had to do a substitution because they were out. But this is the ultimate meat pizza. And this one is going to have, the ground beef and the sausage on it, but not a whole lot. And we're okay with that. But they did substitute and give us 2 of the medium pizzas for the one extra large. So I'm totally okay with that. And then over here, we decided to get some, a little snack food. It's the Farm Rich breaded mushrooms, which if you haven't had these are really good. And Farm Rich makes some really good mozzarella sticks as well. We bought those in a previous grocery haul. So bought some okra, some frozen cut okra because I am going to be cooking that for Sunday dinner. And yeah, we love fried okra. We live in the South, y'all. And you know how we are about frying our foods. It's just, we're about that life. And fried okra is one of our favorites. So picked up some butter because I needed some. I'm almost out. I'm literally down to 1 stick of butter in the fridge, and that's a no-no. So picked up some more eggs because I am going to be doing, actually I'm not going to do a breakfast casserole this week, but I am going to be doing egg muffins this week. So yeah, I'll be posting some pictures of those and everything on Instagram. So be sure you follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. We are at Trippin' Bradley's so that you can get some behind the scenes stuff going on. Cheese. Needed more cheese. We are almost out of our shredded cheddar as well as our Italian blend. So got the Colby and Monterey Jack shredded cheese this time around and got some slices as well. It's the Swiss cheese because, we, again, like variety and we've been getting cheddar for a while. Time to switch it up. So also picked up some more almond milk because we are almost out of the one that's in the fridge. Like we literally have like one more use and then it's gone. And of course, picked up a gallon of 2% milk because, milk. We love our dairy. And so does Luna. And Luna is like stalking me right now. She just went over to go stare out the patio door, but she's a mess. So, yes, guys, this is our grocery haul. Not a whole lot, but, it's enough to get us through next week. Already, good to go as far as the meal plan. So, yeah, this was a pretty good one, and everything was less than $100. I don't remember exactly how much it was, since there was one item that they didn't have, and that was the husband's chips. I'm sure you noticed that was missing. Well, they didn't have it, so now I'm not really sure what the final total was, but I'll be sure to post it right here. But thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul. Stick around. I've got the meal plan coming up. So here is our meal plan for the week, February 7th through the 13th. So for breakfast, I'm doing a breakfast casserole as well as a strawberry oatmeal bake, and Shay and I will most likely do smoothies as well. For lunch, as you know, the husband takes leftovers always. And then Shay and I will be doing salads or sandwiches. Just depends on what we still have left in the fridge. Yeah. For dinner, so Sunday I'm doing meatloaf with sides. Most likely I'm doing mashed potatoes and fried okra. Monday we're doing salmon with roasted veggies, and I'm doing green beans and carrots. For Tuesday I'm doing a chicken and rice casserole and have that for leftovers on Wednesday. Thursday, I'm doing the chickenless Alfredo. This time, it's going to have real pasta. It's whole wheat pasta because, yeah, that soybean pasta is just, whew, Lord Jesus. If you like it, please don't be offended, but yeah, it's just not for us. Friday, we're going to do pizza, and then we're going to finish out the week on Saturday with turkey kielbasa, and we're going to have that with potatoes and peppers. So that is our meal plan for the week, y'all. I hope you've got some ideas from what we're having. And, if you have any favorite meals that you think I should try, please leave a comment down below. I'm always on the lookout for new recipes and new foods to try because, I'm one of those people, I'll try just about anything once. And I love to eat, so drop your favorite recipes down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it. It would mean so much to us and really help out our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of the Bradley family. We would love to have you. And hit that notification bell because when I post a new video, you want to be the first to know about it, right? Of course you do. And be sure to follow us on social media, guys. We are at Trippin' Bradleys on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. So thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a very blessed day and a blessed week. And take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye! Last week's grocery haul turned out really good. Last week's meal plan, oh, Luna. What? Y'all, she is too much. She wants some attention. She just like clawed my leg. Oh. Okay. Take two. So, what, Bubba? Hold on, y'all. Hi, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Luna. Sorry. It's real life, and Luna is wanting attention. Just look at this adorableness, y'all. She's so precious. Luna, say hey to everybody. Say good morning. Say good morning. Luna said good morning, y'all.